Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. How are you today? Teacher hopes all of you are in a good health. Today, let's learn phonics with Teacher Basiriah. At the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to listen and say the words with phonemes I, u, and o. Repeat the simple sentences. Today, we will learn sounds O, Y, Oi, 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 I, R, Er, U, E, U, 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 A, W, O, 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 Y, Oi, toys, toys. I love my toys. I love my toys. O, Y, Oi, boy, boy. Adam is a boy. Adam is a boy. O, Y, Oi, soy, soy. I love to drink soy milk. I love to drink soy milk. O, Y, Oi, joy, joy. She jumps with joy. She jumps with joy. I, R, shirt, shirt. This is a red shirt. This is a red shirt. I, R, thirsty, thirsty. I'm so thirsty today. I'm so thirsty today. I, R, first, first. Hawa wins the first prize. Hawa wins the first prize. I, R, bird, bird. The bird is red. The bird is red. U, E, U, blue, blue. This is a blue fish. This is a blue fish. U, E, U, true, true. This is a true answer. This is a true answer. U, E, U, tissue, tissue. I use tissue to wipe my hands. I use tissue to wipe my hands. U-E-U. Statue, statue. This is a big statue. This is a big statue. A-W-O. Fawn, fawn. This is a small fawn. This is a small fawn. A-W-O. Claws, claws. These are tiger's claws. These are tiger's claws. A-W-O. Yawn, yawn. The boy yawns in the morning. The boy yawns in the morning. A-W-O. Crawl, crawl. The baby crawls on the floor. The baby crawls on the floor. That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you. See you again.